I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what mankind. Charlie be me now. Charlie too much here. Today we can't the street top. You know say right now, Mahama can't talk say the Okada people no. You go give them what? Lances then what? Then things where they go feel right for town. Where Akufo-Addo too can't talk say into them come. You go give them what? Auction cars. Them all of them no, they go where they no go what? They go beer. That's why we come town say we can't do what? Can't take them a views and them a what? Them a comment there everything be away they them a top. So watch out. That one I for there.
One day, people are seeing me for the
What's up?
Oh, Charlie cool, Abi.
Everything cool.
Everything cool, Abi. You know.
I dey busy you. Mahama say he come you go legalize the motor give you people, then you people go take work. When Akufo-Addo to talk say he come you go what? You go give you cars, then you go pay am small. What be your mind for top?
Charlie, Mama will say Okada do. Okada them are working with good pass. That one way they talk because the first the promise you since we promise you not for farm. So the Okada you go take all of that. At the back there, Mama own. If I come legalize the Okada we dey get money inside power not be easy. Okada it help us power not be easy. See, everybody can collapse the jobs pasa. Where you know create every common one job at all for our youth. So the Okada although we know say Okada or it cause accident they do things like that, but see you yourself spy the system. How we the suffer for this time inside. Right? No work for vulnerable youth.
I just want you to talk. Akufo-Addo to the talk say into you come you go give you people cars, then you go pay them small for the taxi inside.
I bet Java be lie. You lie. The first promises way make sense because if you follow them, I don't be because if you follow them.
Oh, that boy, you be your man where they talk. So talk.
So that one they not be true. You not be true. No, if you do nothing. About that cars where they talk about it. That one they not if you do nothing. So the Okada and Charlie, move up.
Okay, into the talk say the Okada need they feel am big time. So they feel because they give them plenty what money. Charlie follow me. We could do more interviews. Then we could see them my minds and what they want. Then go talk. Thank you. So my bro, what's up?
Yeah, my brother. What I go say for these two governments, Mahama and then Nanado, because of the Okada way we do know, there is not cars no day for the town, cars day for the town, and then the Okada way we they do, Okada way we they do know because of the traffic. That's where they do Okada job. So if Nanado says she will go come and legalize, she will buy car for. Yes, Nanado says she will buy car for we where they do. Those who they do Okada to use that car to be our jobber. As my man, that one is it will not work because of the traffic. That's where they use the motor bag. But it's like me. I would say the Okada way we do the one way you say will come way legalize for motor to work. No, I'll follow that man because of the traffic that we are all using the motor. Right now, their member can say, "Ebia, oh, be using motor na ya wo nipa, na ya Okada, na ya wo nipa, na ya ayi what the motor ekojima, na ya wo motor, na ya delivering." Nti eni na omi na ya dey mixi ti delivering for na dia wade kwa ne jima ni na ebia wakofa bibia ba ombeka say Okada for because of traffic ni tina ya dey use motor ti dia me ankasa betima aka ne say ebeba me ankasa me koma ne say dia obetima ma ya de fa motor eye jima no ono na metima ye dey e follow because of traffic ntina ye use motor ya share tamna Okada ba Ghana ha tamna football ba Ghana ha na Okada start here because of traffic ntina ye dey Okada ye dey e buy oh nti omkase ombeto cars man no there kamia nkasa me koma ya ntro na ombeka ama ya because oma kase ombeba ombe dam ama ya kodo ya yina ya no na for me ya me kasa na me ya fafrani ombeka se ombe dam ama ya de ya kodo wo north dam ne ya hu ye ombeka se ombe ayi ombe si dan ama ya nipa na ya wa na ya oka ayi kayo fo no ya hu sa kayo fo no dan no ansa na ombeka se ombe tokas maya dia media menya agency bia sadia na ya nokore ya ntro na ompese omyede omka kire ti dia ya pe no ya pese omyede omu amaya yede ya fa Okada ya juma because ya na ya gina ha no ya bebre ya kwasku awie ya ntimi ya juma nti na ya Okada no enso ya bebre ya wo yire ya wo mba Okada na ya de hwe ya yire ya de hwe ya mba ana omkwasku to ombeka se ombeto kama ya na de ya uva na ya de ya taxi because your taxi na uva no e doso ho nti ombeka se ombeto kama ya enya agin
nti woni akufado mu aban ne ye adwen se ombeto kama mo pe moto na
media me pe moto na because adia ne dia menya agin because of cars no e doso nti na use moto no nti omi ya na use moto no yesu e doso nti ombefa kama ya kwan hin na ya befa e di cars ne be yejima.
Okay, na on dream say moto no accident na say we ni we na aya mu face say obi ne obi the car abo obi efi moto so na we wu na no so de odwen won say
okay sadia ne dia me beka ne say bibia afiri yankopon ya hwe ya no na kwan tamalesis ya kasa ku nipa dodo moto betima ku nipa hin nya nipa baako ba ni na afiri nyame because car ku nipa car na ye de ya sa fa nipa no temi agene say ni na ye de be man adi yankopon no ye wo nipa na komede no ana wa ye de wade moto no pie ne ka awo difference and Mahama dia Mahama nka no wa ba ye be hwe nipa na wa ye de woni mu moto use ono no de since time na me start use me moto me use moto we year 2012 up to now me de me fa nipa ko hospital me fa nipa ana me kopra nti me agene de me hwese moto no ebeboa ye. Yes.
So you say you started drive for motor for 2012 inside no. Are they busy? Have you encountered any problem where Charlie they drive the motor now they give you or you know encounter any problem since you started drive the motor?
Because they are maybe can every Saturday and they say because motor no ana omukase ya fa motor na ya konya accident ya fa motor na ya fa nipa ebia ya de be fa car so a kwan na ya be fa no ebia enye na ya kofa na ya de bebu medo na ni na free police na ya dey ya sha ya left and right and who say police jena ya njena o share example tamalisisia bicycle moto ya jena of traffic light e so green na ya dey yakọ ba ha no china o mu china ntina ya be hu traffic light who say police ni jena won jena yes obekọ but yes ade na amani nim say moto nso ebetuma ya jima wo amani a me hu say sade na betuma ya den eba.
What's up?
Oh fine oh.
Bibia wako.
Wako there.
Why didn't tell say mo pe Mahama say obalance say na mo de Okada na yejuma na mo pe Akufo-Addo de no a obema mo cars na mo tua na kan Accra then I pe.
Pacho ya pese on alagalazi Okada fo no man. Nti adwuma no nso yen Okada fo taxi fo no omudo so traffic do so edo so no ntia na moto wo ope fast there no fa moto akọ nti cars no do so there ope car na ma nipa ne nyina ya nyina ya ntumi nya adwuma no sa nti on alagalazi adia no man.
Nti wo pese Mahama legalize mamo
Ya pese on alaga
legalize mamo be boa mo pa na say
ya be boa ya pa ya be boa ya pa
be boa mo. Okay, now moto no how many years na we moto?
I bet my 5 years. Moto no often a year, I bet my 5 years. Well, moto no new dear, but I bet my to your moto no. Dear.
You not get any effect or any causes for motor accident or something like that before?
That be media mystery nina menya accident that. me moto ni nyina me nyanya accident.
Why you know they like Akufo-Addo? You want say go give you people cars, then you go pay them small. Why you know they like him? Why?
Ujai jumano wo dia. Ye betima ye by taxi for no. Omodosu ye ji car no dia. Jumano nsu ya. Sa anti na empe no no. Wo ho. Nti sa car no dia nipa no nsu
Pano doso. Two person motor no na ubetwi sa
fan ya kakra.
Okay, that be view. He say he dey talk say he dey love the motor. You know he love the car because the cars no them bunch for the what? The street top. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. Charlie, follow me, make we do more interviews, make we get them views on what? The legalizing and also the auction of what? Cars. Thank you very much. Everything cool?
Yes. I'm feeling fine. Now
I dey ask you, Mahama say you come, you go what? You go legalize the motor, give you people, make it take what? Work then things. Where Akufo-Addo to talk say you come, you go give you people auction cars. You see, then you people go work, then you go pay them small. What be your mind for top?
Now my mind there for the mama is talking back because the mama, if he come back, you know say he go feel help us because now the MPP time now we dey inside the job by the police people and some of the MPP. What am I missing? These people, MB people.
The MPP top no?
Yeah, the Abai people say they warriors. So now,
why don't they worry you?
It's because they parking the station, so they won't come find some money for our body. That one too is not fine because we are together. Abibab. Now, but me see if your mama come, if you legalize our Okada, we go happy because now the way system they go Accra. Now, if you know be Okada, more of them their job goes spoil because the traffic is too chow. But motor riders, if we go fit talk our brothers, we for take our time for the driving. You understand? Because more of the accident where they happen, you know, be our motor riders where they cross the accident. It be some of the police people because they talk say if you will come for the traffic light, we for respect the traffic light if you stop. So we can fit stop for the traffic light because of the red light. But if you stop there, when police people is around, you go messing something like you want to come and arrest you, Bob. That one, if you see somebody where you want to kill you straight, I be go find your way and run. So you can't fit stay. If you confuse yourself, you can fit go and hit the car or some of the driver go pass you.
So because of say they go legalize give people, then you go drive am on. That be why you dey talk say make Mahama do give you people.
Yeah. So we dey like so because Akufo-Addo, the reason we dey hear the workers they talk say they won't do, they no go fit do that thing. For me, Accra, we are still plenty Okada riders. So if you say you can fit buy the car, give the Okada riders, you can fit because but means the motor riders too plenty. I myself right now, if you Okada inside, they do my everything at the ring. I have Pekin, I have 3 children, I have wife. You see, everything, my life be everything. If you Okada inside, I protect myself with my family. My 3 Pekin, all they are going to school. You understand? So it be inside where they manage and get some more profit and go look my family and my children. Sometimes police will go to arrest you, then collect all your money you get to your body. You see, I mean, the time if you go build the motor, before you get the motor, you know go feel and work. Your body go loose because of the money you feel your money, then collect it. Abibab. So we will find good people where you go fit come and sponsors. So we forget happiness for the job inside. We forget more of him. Abi understand me? That be my mind.
Okay, you talk saying that they like the what? The legalization because in there, if they give them money, it be in where they take part in kiddies, in family and things. So they like what? That movement. Thank you. Follow me, more could do what? More interviews. Be the one that my mind. I know say you to go enjoy them, then you to go tear them my point of view. Thank you. What's up?
Cool now.
Everything cool.
Yeah, the manager have for do.
Okay, so what be your mind for what I talk now?
Right now, the sister with the it dey hard by the manager, but the rumors we dey hear. For the truth, if it true say they talk say they go give cars to the Okada boys, make them work, so that then to they go get them a day-to-day top money. It better pass this Okada. The Okada as well for the town, it dey cause much accident. You no talk say maybe this thing. Though Okada dey help, but in fact our lives are more important than our daily bread. Make you talk. The the president of Ghana now saying he is going to give to our people, if it is a campaign or something is going to amend, I swear it will help very well. Even some of us, our brothers doing this Okada, it helps, but too dangerous for their lives. That we are even advising them to stop the Okada work because it does not help. If you get money today and your life will be in danger tomorrow, it will not help. But for the president of Ghana, if it is true that he's saying he's going to bring cars for them, we are very, very happy for that. It shouldn't be a campaign, but it should be something they are going to amend in the country that everybody will benefit from it.
Yeah. Okay, right now you say you talk plenty. You talk say the car need the what? It you say Akufo-Addo will take give the Okada people so that they go work for what? For top. Bro, they busy you. Why the Okada no good give you?
Okada, for instance, that is what I said earlier on. The accident has been too much. If we talk, maybe you want to estimate for a year the number of people who die, who get injured because of the Okada is not easy. Even more than the cars as themselves. So the Okada is more dangerous to our lives than even driving a car. Yeah.
Charlie, this be here where we go what? We go end. This be too much GH. Yeah. At the talk you say for subscribe, make everything well, go on well. That be what they can't talk. Then talk that my mind, everything be where then talk. Say Mahama, then Akufo-Addo, then Mahama to talk, say you go what? You go legalize them, the Okada give them, everything will go on. Where Akufo-Addo to talk, say don't go do option then cars now. That be what then talk. Then show them my mind, then talk them my mind, then do everything be where Charlie. Them now then they feel say they what? Then go talk. Flambo be my name. Pow, 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 pow.